Hello and welcome. This video will explain how to enter your budget into journals. So you have two ways. Either from the general ledger, you go to batch entry, you select the company, then you select the needed journal, for example, current year OPEX original, and then you enter your budget normally as you enter a normal journal. However, there is an easier way, which is to load your budget from Spreadsheet Link, from link for journals, entries, import. But prior to do that, you need to have the right or the correct Excel template. So the template will look like this one, where you will have all your FQA elements. In my case, I have 5 elements: company, account, cost center, AFE, and bill code. Then it depends on how you would like to load your budget. There are customers that load budget monthly, month by month, or quarterly, or yearly. So it depends of your budget design. Let's suppose I will have a budget by month. So I will have 12 months here. I will add also a description. Could be a description that I will apply on all these batches, or could be a specific description month by month, like budget upload January, and then I will change it, budget upload February, etc. Because what we will need to do now is to upload 12 batches for 12 periods. The most important part here is what elements to have in my budget upload. So this depends on how you will track your budget. There are people that will track the budget at the cost center level. So they don't really upload the budget by account. And they always ask the question, what account should I choose here? So one suggestion is to just create a budget account, type B, you call it budget account, and then you use that budget account to load all the budget. Okay, so this is in case you don't want to track the budget on account level. You want it on cost center or on AFE. If you need to track your budget on accounts, then you will need to provide the exact account number, the exact FQAs. If it's a combination of all of different elements, then you will need to specify those different elements in here. Okay, so most important also that the Excel sheet that you will use for the upload should be on the first row, first level. So you cannot upload to link spreadsheet if the order is like you see here. If I'm uploading from sheet 1, it has to be at the first position. So I will complete the example here just for you to understand how you upload budget. So let's say budget, so 5, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3. So again, I'm taking a random FQA, but you will need to specify the exact cost center if you're tracking budget versus actual on cost centers or on account or in a combination of AFE cost center account, etc. I will just copy this here and then save my file. You can also close your file. You don't have to leave it open. So in link spreadsheet, we said that you could link journals, entries, import, or from the shortcut you see here, JE. First of all, locate your Excel sheet. So you go to where you have stored that Excel sheet. You click on Edit, and this will open the Excel sheet. This is not the correct one. Okay, so I was not selecting the correct one. I will need to select budget upload template. Okay, then you click on edit, and then I am loading line 4 only. So I will specify range of lines I am uploading. So line 4 to 4. Ledger, you can select the company or you can click on derive. And when you click on derive, the system will use the company code you will specify in this column. Or you can from the beginning define an entity. Then you choose the correct journal. It's important that you pick the correct journal. If it's an original budget, I need to select OPEX original. Okay, period, you will start by January. Now, okay, so it says period is locked. So all what I need to do is unlock the period from general ledger. I trust you all know how to lock or unlock one period from general ledger. So I have unlocked the period. Let's go back. Okay, so description is in column S, and then here you provide the right column name. Amount is in column G. So G, do I want zero suppress? No. Do I want it to convert? No, it's a budget upload, so I don't want it to convert. Account is in C, so C, D, E, F. Now, date, you can specify one date. If you put here 01 31st 2018, or you can include that in one column here and then specify the column number in on the left. Okay, so once you're done with entering these parameters, you click on preview, and here it says this is your FQA, the states is valid, budget upload as a description, this is the date, debit 1000. So all looks fine. If all is fine, you click on run. If you have any problem, for example, you could have here a message telling you not cross references. So I will turn on the cross references just to show you what you will need to do. And this is the case. So let me preview again. And here it says element not cross referenced. Okay. So this means you're okay to upload this in a batch, but you won't be able to do the posting until, or the validation, until you solve the cross-reference issue. And this is exactly what I want to show you, because I want to show you the quickest way to do cross-references when you load the budget. This is a very easy example with one line, but your budget could have 100 to 1000 lines. It depends of, and then it becomes very easy to create all those cross-references. So I will click on run, and here the system informs me that period 1 batch 1 current year OPEX original is uploaded. It's not valid yet, but it's in the database. Okay, so this was January. You will redo exactly, follow exactly the same process to load February, March till December in case you're loading budget by month. Okay, and once you finish uploading, and when it comes to creating cross references from utilities, you have quick batch xref. What it does is that it takes all the cross references within one batch that were not created, and the system will create them all. Okay, so if you had 100 line, it will create cross references for all those 100 lines. Now the budget is uploaded. You can see the budget from multiple reports, but then you will need to validate it and then do the posting. Okay, so once it is posted, then the budget is totally uploaded and uh, updated the appropriate segments. Up to now, the current year OPEX original segment is empty. There is a transaction uploaded, but it still has to be validated and posted. So I will do that. Company 01. This is the journal, period number 1, batch number 1, and then I will validate this. It's valid, edited, approved for posting, so I'm okay to do posting for that batch. And then I need to select exactly the correct journal, batch 1, all transaction types. I don't want to print the posting reports, and then you click on OK, and now you reached the final step of your budget upload for month 1. You can do all the uploads and then do all the postings. You can do month by month. It's up to you if you're doing month by month. If you're doing a yearly budget, then you do one load and then you do the posting. Now, I can make sure or I can verify that my budget is uploaded if I run a standard report, for example, on current year original. Let's choose all accounts, company 1 and period number 1. Click save, close, and then run the report. You can see here that in period 1, in activity, I have 1000 loaded against this FQA. Okay, so now the budget is loaded. Let's move to the next video where I explain how to track your budget.